If you're wondering how to detect Log4j vulnerabilities with Tenable, this video is for you. We'll walk you through the simple steps to identify potential security risks using Tenable's powerful scanning capabilities. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share an exclusive extended free trial for the software. First things first, let's talk about Tenable. It's a cybersecurity solution designed to help businesses detect vulnerabilities and protect their networks. Tenable is known for its vulnerability management capabilities, including scanning for critical threats like Log4j. Now, when you're dealing with Log4j vulnerabilities, you want to make sure you're using the right tools to stay on top of potential exploits. With Tenable, this process is easier than you think. The first thing you need to do is set up your Tenable account and configure your scan settings. It's simple to get started. Once you're in, Tenable will automatically detect any vulnerable systems within your network. Next thing, let's dive into Log4j scanning specifically. Tenable has an advanced detection engine that automatically checks for vulnerabilities in Log4j, including the infamous Log4Shell exploit. You'll get immediate insights into where your systems are exposed and what action to take next. The third thing to remember when scanning for Log4j vulnerabilities is the importance of keeping your assets organized in Tenable. By grouping assets based on specific criteria, like location or environment, you can run focus scans and get more accurate results for Log4j vulnerabilities. After that, it's crucial to interpret the results from Tenable. Once Tenable finishes scanning your systems, it gives you a comprehensive report that shows which systems are affected by Log4j vulnerabilities. From there, you can assess the severity level, prioritize your response, and decide if you need to patch or take other corrective actions. Lastly, if you're serious about managing Log4j vulnerabilities in your system long-term, Tenable provides ongoing monitoring. You can schedule regular scans to continuously check for any new threats or any previously missed vulnerabilities. This is key for staying ahead of emerging Log4j exploits and ensuring your network is secure. And before I wrap up, don't forget, Tenable also offers additional features that can help you stay on top of all your cybersecurity needs. It's not just about scanning for Log4j, but proactively managing vulnerabilities across your entire infrastructure. If you're ready to get started with Tenable, you can sign up using the first link in the description below and grab our exclusive extended free trial offer. This will give you full access to all the tools you need to protect your systems, including detecting Log4j vulnerabilities. Don't wait. Take advantage of the free trial today.